Rack shelves should be pretty simple, but there is more to a good one than you might think. This AC Infinity model is a heavy steel single-space unit. It measures 10.5 inches deep and has lots of vents and places to use tie-downs for gear or cables. The one I received came with a bent rack ear right out of the box, and that's pretty disappointing to say. Unfortunately, they've rolled the lip down on both the front and back edges of this, which prevents you from mounting a lot of different types of gear under this shelf, and that's a major bummer. Typically, you'd have some wiggle room on the mounting holes too, so you could nudge a shelf like this up a tiny bit to accommodate other gear. Unfortunately, again though, they've also cut the holes so narrow from top to bottom that they really don't fit standard US size rack screws. They touch the screws on both sides enough to remove paint and flatten threads if you're not careful as you try to get them through. They have included much skinnier screws and a set of cage nuts with this unit, so they're obviously aiming this more at an IT and server rack customer with those style of racks. But I can't imagine the downturned lip would be any easier to accommodate with large server or switching gear underneath either. For the moment, this one is working fine to get a Mac Mini onto its own platform so it's away from other hot gear, but losing the space below it completely wasn't quite what I was hoping for. There is plenty of shallow, non-heat emitting rack mount gear that we use in production that could have lived underneath this quite happily, like a patch bag. But for now, that's it for the AC Infinity 1U rack shelf. I hope this was helpful for anyone considering this shelf. Thanks for watching.